Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm very sorry for my voice, guys. I'm not feeling too well today, but I took upon myself that I told the guys that I will be like frequent in 2020. So pardon my voice. My voice is very crusty. Just pardon it. All right. So this is the video that what I wanted to share with you guys today are some tips that I use to clear my dark knuckles. As you can see, my knuckles are shining. You see? You see? They're shining. So many people have been asking me, what have you been doing? I've been getting so many questions on my DM. Like, what have you been doing with your dark knuckles? First, let me clear something off. To have dark knuckles doesn't mean that you're bleaching. No, don't have that conception. To have dark knuckles, it might be dryness, it might be the weather, it might be you're in a dry condition that your hands are not always moisturized, or it might be that whenever you apply a lotion on your body, you don't focus on your knuckles, so it leaves the dark knuckles. So your lotion, because this part like this is very sensitive to lotion, any type of lotion, be it your dark in complexion or fair in complexion, any complexion. This part is very fair, is very sensitive, but this part is very difficult to tackle. So when you are applying your lotion, make sure to focus on this and your elbows and your knees. So I have some few tips that I want to teach with you guys. I hope you guys are going to love it. My voice is killing me. Okay, so the first tip that I'm going to give is, whenever you do you do laundry or the dishes, or you touch water with your hands, dry off your hands. Take your lotion. For instance, this is my lotion. The video, I did a video one time that the link is in the description box. This is my lotion. I've mixed it here. So I usually take a bit of it, just because I just finished doing the dishes, so I just put just some few drops, and I massage my knuckles. You see, it doesn't take you 3 minutes or so. Just massage your knuckles. Anytime you touch water, massage your knuckles. Just massage it, and that's it. That's the first tip. And the second tip, what to use. So I use this Fair and White So White gel. I've used this particular packet for about 3 months now. It's pink in color. I love the flavor. The flavor is like candy. I love the flavor so much. So I use this like this. I put in my handbag. If I'm going somewhere, I just put in my handbag. If I have to touch water, I'll just remove it and I'll just rub my hands and focus on my knuckles, so that I don't leave my knuckles should be moisturized and my hands should be moisturized. And the second one is this Fashion Fair. Guys, this one. So for Fashion Fair, the two of this, they works the same, but the difference is, for Fair and White So White, it will the first 4 days is going to make your knuckles to be, your hand to be dark, or your knuckles to be dark. After 4 days, it will start brightening up your hand, and that's just it. In a week time, and your knuckles are all, gone. And this one, it just goes straight to the point. It doesn't darken your knuckles or your hand, but it does bleach a lot. So be careful, be sensitive when you want to use one. This one, I use it rarely. Let me show you guys. I've used this one like I don't even know the last time I bought this one. It's been long. It's white in color. I hope you guys are this. Yeah, it's white in color. Make sure to buy the original. So it's been really long that I've used this one. I don't use one more often. I use both the fair and white so white. So that's what I use for my knuckles, guys. That's what I use for my knuckles. As you guys can see, my knuckles are, for me, it's perfect. I love my body the way it is, so it's perfect. You see, my knuckles are good. You love my knuckles, right? Apart from the bad voice, I still love my knuckles. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Before you leave, to the next video, please don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Like, comment, give me your thoughts. If you need any directions, just give me. And I want to give shout out to a sister. When I say a sister, she's a YouTuber. She's not really my biological sister, but I call her a sister. Her name is Shoutout Irene. She does beauty vlogs and lifestyle too. I'm going to leave her link on the description box. You go and follow her page. You go and support her. And please, guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm sorry that I'm sick, but I'm still doing this video. YouTube is a full-time job, so okay, guys, that's all for today. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.